Now from civics, political science, we are going to do power sharing. So let's start with the power sharing. One word question, right? With which countries does Belgium share borders? With which country Belgium shares their border? You will write Netherlands, France, Germany, and Luxembourg. 4 countries name you will write. Second, write it. What is the ethnic composition of Belgium? Learn this question by heart. What is the ethnic composition of Belgium? Third, write. What is the ethnic composition of the capital city of Brussels? And here you will write that 80% people speak French there and 20% people speak Dutch speaking communities. 20% is the Dutch speaking. All right. So when you are writing this, you will mention about the Brussels, not about any other. Why was the tension more acute in Brussels? Why was the tension more acute in Brussels between two communities? Between two communities. Got it? Next, write it. What is the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka? What is the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka? Now next, write. Which religion are followed by the Sri Lankans? Which religion followed by Sri Lankans? Next, mark it. What could have happened? What could have happened if Dutch community had taken advantage of its majority in Belgium? Next, write it. What kind of government was adopted by Sri Lanka? You know which type of government? Majoritarian government. Then will there be a tension, civil war there between majority and minority? And there will be no civil war in Belgium because Belgium have given rights both those who were majority and those who were in minority. So both of them enjoy more power in Belgium compared to that of the Sri Lanka. Now next mark here. How did Sinhalese became the official language of Sri Lanka? How did Sinhalese became the official language of Sri Lanka? लिख रहे हो पिंटू?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, are you writing? Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
are you writing? And do
Yes, ma'am.
all the question. Write the answer as your homework. Have you done, Aditya?
क्या मैम?
होमवर्क किए हो सारा?
यस मैम किए हैं.
क्वेश्चन देते हो उसका आंसर लिखते हो?
यस मैम लिखते हैं. कॉपी में लिखे हैं.
Yes, very good. Suyas, do you write in your copies? Suyas Keshri, do you write in your notes copy all the?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Complete all the questions because from this only I am going to give in the exam. Now, which religion is adopted as the state religion of Sri Lanka? Which religion is adopted as the state religion of Sri Lanka? Next, write it. How did Sinhalese became the How did Sinhalese became the official language of Sri Lanka? ये लिख चुके हो? Which religion is adopted as the state religion of Sri Lanka? Buddhism. Why did Sri Lankan Tamils, this is very important question mark here. Why did Sri Lankan Tamils feel alienated from Sinhalese? Next, right. What were the demands of political organizations? Bracket में लिखो political organization में LTTE का नाम लिखो. Liberation of Tamil Tigers LM. LTTE उसका full form है Liberation of Tamil Tiger LM. So here write, what were the demands of political organization of Tamils in Sri Lanka? Next, write it. What was the result of civil war in Sri Lanka? इसमें एक और क्वेश्चन लिखो 3 मार्क्स में या 2 मार्क्स में लिख सकते हो. What were the factors or causes led to the civil war in Sri Lanka and what was its result? ये थोड़ा लेंदी आंसर बनाओगे. दे रहे हैं 1 मार्क्स में, इसको लिखवा रहे हैं, but you write an answer about of 3 marks. All right. So write down the question here. What were the factors or causes which led to a civil war in Sri Lanka? Give a question mark and write the second part of it. What was the result of civil war in Sri Lanka? इसका result क्या होगा? इसका economy down हो गया, development रुक गया, many people died, thousands of people were killed. All right. More and more refugees came and social and economic development went down and education also declined in Sri Lanka. It is written in the last paragraph in your book. What did Belgium do to bring the ethnic groups together? What did Belgium do to bring the ethnic groups together? All right. Last लिखो. 15 question हम already दे चुके. What was the division of power sharing between? What was the division of power sharing between Dutch and French-speaking people in Belgium? Dutch and French-speaking people in Belgium. Dutch and French-speaking people in Belgium. Now, come to the 2 marks question. Write it. What are the main principles of democracy? Write it. What are the main principles of democracy? Write down its answer. Write it. One basic principle of democracy is that people are the source of political power. One basic principle of democracy is that people are the source of all political power. Second, write it. In democracy, second point, write it. In democracy, people rule themselves through institution of. In a democracy, people rule themselves through institution of self-governance. Third, write it. In democracy, due respect is given to diverse groups and views, diverse groups and views that exist in a society. Last लिखो. Everyone has a voice. Everyone has a voice in shaping up the public policies. Now next question, write it. Why was the minority French speaking community? Why was the minority French speaking community was relatively rich and powerful? Write down the answer. The French speaker got the benefits of the French speakers got the benefits of economic development. The French speakers got the benefit of economic development. Second, write it. They were well qualified and educated. They were well qualified and educated. And third, write. Because of their qualification and education, they were well settled, rich and powerful. They were well settled, rich and powerful. Now next, write it. How did Tamils make effort? How did Tamils make efforts to gain power in Sri Lanka? इसका आंसर लिख लोगे कि लिखवाएं? बोलो, माइक ऑन करो.
मैम क्वेश्चन फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए ना.
आंसर तब नहीं लिखवाएंगे. How did
Okay, ma'am.
How did the Tamils make efforts? How did the Tamils make efforts to gain power in Sri Lanka? ऐसे लिख लो, इसका आंसर थोड़ा टफ है. फर्स्ट लिखो. Sri Lankan Tamils launched parties and struggles. Sri Lankan Tamils launched parties and struggles for the recognition of Tamil as the official language. Sri Lankan Tamils launched parties and struggles for the recognition of Tamil as the official language. Next, write. They also made efforts for regional autonomy and equality of opportunity. Regional economy and equality of opportunity in securing education and jobs. Third, write it. Several political organizations were formed demanding an independent Tamil Elam means state, STATE, demanding Tamil state in northern and in northern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka. In northern and eastern parts of Sri Lanka. Now write the next question. What is so special about the community government in Belgium? What is very special about a community government in Belgium? Fifth question, right? Why has the idea of power sharing emerged? Why is the idea of power sharing emerged? Next question, right? What do you mean by ethnic? That is traditional, based on his own country. What does ethnic means? Next, we go seventh question. What was majoritarian mean? What does majoritarian mean? What does majoritarian mean? देखो ये जितना क्वेश्चंस दिए हैं 2 मार्क्स में भी लिख सकते हो 3 मार्क्स में, लेकिन अब जो क्वेश्चंस दे रहे हैं ना वो 5 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन है. व्हाट फैक्टर्स, ये वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन में लिखोगे. व्हाट फैक्टर्स led to a civil war in Sri Lanka? What factors led to the civil war in Sri Lanka? Write down the answer. Measures taken in majoritarian gradually increased the feeling of alienation among Sri Lankan Tamils. Second writing, they felt that the constitution and government policies demanded them equal political rights, give a comma and then write, discriminated against them. Third, right, getting jobs and other opportunities and ignored their interest. Getting jobs लिखे हो ना, other opportunities, discriminated against them in getting jobs and other opportunities and ignored their interests. Third market. As a result, the relations between Sinhalas and the other Tamil communities got strained over time. Strain means tense. The Sri Lankan Tamils launched parties. The Sri Lankan Tamils launched parties and struggles for the recognition of Tamil an official language, Tamil as an official language, regional autonomy and equality of opportunities in getting education and jobs. In getting educations and jobs. All right. Now next writing. By 1980, several political organizations were formed. Several political organizations were formed demanding an independent Tamil Elam or state in northern and eastern parts of Europe. In northern and eastern parts of Europe. Last paper. The distrust between the two communities. The distrust between the two communities turned into widespread complex लिखो या conflicts लिखो, and it soon turned into a civil war. As a result, thousands of people of both the communities were killed. डबल टिक लगा, इस आंसर को याद करोगे. How did Belgium government solve their problems? Give a question mark. How did the Belgium government solve its problem? तो कैसे solve किया? Accommodation of the people, equal accommodation, adjustment, whether it was majority or minority, both the class was given equal opportunity to make laws, to participate in powers and living in the country. Next question, right? What was the ethnic composition of Sri Lanka? Next, right? What kind of power sharing problems? What kinds of power sharing problems faced by Belgium and the Sri Lankan? Last question, likho. Power is shared between different social groups. Inverted comma, open and close. Power is shared between different social groups. Commemorate on this statement with the help of an example. हो गया? लिख लिए सारा क्वेश्चन. ये सारा क्वेश्चन जो तुम करोगे, these question will be of 2 marks also and 3 marks. Now in hot question, how is ethnic composition? ये लिख चुके. What measures were adopted? Class 10th, C and G, only 20 students, 16 students, 18 students, because it is a 2 section, at least 40 students must be there. What about you are coming, you are going out of the meeting, class is going on. I started with 21 students, now there is 15, 16, why you are getting out of the class? Why do you get out of the class? मीटिंग से क्यों हट जाते हो? बहुत पढ़े लिखे हो, विद्वान, एकदम सब चीज आता है, क्यों मीटिंग छोड़ के? जिज्ञासा को हम 2 बार एडमिट किए, सत्यम को हम 2 बार एडमिट किए.
नो मैम, मेरा एक ही में हो गया था.
ये सॉरी, दिव्यानी अभी भी नहीं है.
यस मैम.
Where is she? Why do you go out of the meeting? Once I will admit and I will not admit you again. You will out of the class. Why? What about?
मैम हो सकता
है
मैम क्वेश्चंस नहीं लिख पाते होंगे बच्चे, आप बहुत फास्ट बोलने लगती हैं, तो लीव कर देता होगा कि आप रिकॉर्डिंग बाद में सेंड कर देंगे तो लिख लेंगे.
I send my recording to Snap Homework. Have you seen my recording?
मैम एक बार देखिए.
नो मैम.
मेरा रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ जाता है? हम व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं सेंड कर रहे, स्नैप होमवर्क पे सेंड करेंगे.
ओके मैम।
नहीं तो रिकॉर्डिंग, मान लो क्वेश्चन नहीं लिख पाता लेकिन बहुत सारा ऐसा चीज बीच बीच में बताते हैं. इट इज नॉट फेयर दैट यू गो आउट ऑफ द क्लास. Pintu Kumar is not in the class. Where he has gone? Anay Raj. Most of the students you don't join the class. कल सब डांट सुनेगा फिर से. 21 से देखो अभी 15 स्टूडेंट्स आ गए. फास्ट बोलते हैं तो तुम लोग फिर दोबारा पूछो, फिर से एक बार बोलिए, तो तुम लोग उसको क्विट कर देते हो. क्विट करना तो सॉल्यूशन नहीं है प्रॉब्लम का.
मैम लॉन्ग
हाँ,
वर्ड को शॉर्ट कर करके लिख देता हूँ मैम.
ये
रफ में अभी लिख रहा हूँ तो जो लॉन्ग वर्ड है उसको थोड़ा शॉर्ट कर
अगर
देता
हम डिक्टेट कर रहे हैं तो वो शॉर्ट हैंड. डोंट गो फॉर अ लेंदी वर्ड्स, वो शॉर्ट हैंड. अकॉर्डिंग लिखवा रहे तो ACC अकॉर्डिंग लिखो. बहुत सारे ऐसा वर्ड है जिसको कट शॉर्ट कर सकते हो एंड बाद में उसका कोड वर्ड बना लो कि इसका मतलब हम ये लिखे, इसका मतलब. तुम्हारा एक तरीका होना चाहिए ना कि हाउ यू विल take the questions maximum at a time, because it is for you, not for me. I am giving you maximum जिसमें तुम्हारा तैयारी हो सके. इतना ही तुमको लिमिट कर देंगे कि इतना ही से तुमको पढ़ना है. नहीं तो हम लिखवाना शुरू करेंगे तो एंडलेस होगा, खत्म ही नहीं होगा. इतना सारा क्वेश्चंस है. I am giving you only the board questions because you are going to appear in 2021, and for you 1 year back 2019 question is very important for you. 2017 question is very important to you. एक एक को गैप करके देखो. तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन 17 का, तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन 15 का. देखो हम 2015 का बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन दिए हैं. 2015, 2017 and 2019. These 3-year questions you have to collect and complete work will be done. Because और उसमें तुमको देखना है कि which question is repeating every time. और जो क्वेश्चन को रिपीट कर रहा है उसका तैयारी होना चाहिए. So बोर्ड का तैयारी करने के लिए you must be very conscious how I should get in a limited time maximum number of question and answer. You have to work. Quit करने से देखो 15 students आ गए. Now next यहाँ पे mark करो. What measures were adopted? What measures were adopted by the democratically elected government of Sri Lanka? What measures were adopted by the democratically elected government of Sri Lanka to establish Sinhala supremacy? To establish Sinhala supremacy. Now you got the answer or question or not? Jigyasa?